Hello traders, in this video I'll be reviewing the Arin2 EA and going through how it is presented on the MQL5 Marketplace, its main features and the historical backtesting performance. Now before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page, the Arin2 EA is listed by developer Matthew Todorovsky, and it is priced at 1,000 US dollars for a full purchase. There are also rental options available starting from 30 US dollars for 1 month, 90 US dollars for 3 months, 180 US dollars for 6 months, and 360 US dollars for 1 year. The version shown here is 10.5, last updated in January 2021, with 5 activations included. Now, from the description, this EA is presented as an automated high frequency trading system designed to increase net worth through both trading activity and rebates. The developer also positions it as a fully automated solution that can operate in different market conditions with minimal manual intervention. As I scroll through the page, one of the key ideas highlighted is that this EA is described as an anti-martingale system with flexibility to operate either in a grid-based system or rather in a grid-based style or in a trend following mode. Okay, depending on the settings used. All right. So it is also designed to operate across any instrument, including currencies and metals, and on any time frame. All right. So we can see that here. Now, another important point mentioned is that it includes multiple ways of managing trades, including closing positions based on take profit in pips, percentage profits on balance, you know, or stop loss levels. So there is also support for running multiple instances at the same time with different configurations, which gives traders more flexibility in how they apply it. The developer also emphasizes that the EA is designed with high frequency trading behavior in mind, and it is positioned to handle volatile conditions such as news events, price gaps, and sudden market shocks. Now, moving into the parameters and settings, there is a strong focus on automated lot sizing based on account balance, which allows position sizes to scale automatically depending on equity. There is also an option for time filtering, which lets the EA operate only during specific trading hours if needed. We also see grid related settings such as grid size, maximum number of orders, and lot exponent controls, which influence how aggressively positions are scaled within a sequence. Now, there are also separate configurations for both buy and sell sides, including magic numbers, take profit settings, and order limits. There are also risk-related features such as drawdown reduction logic and stop-loss activation based on grid levels, which are designed to manage exposure during extended trading sequences. Now, let's just move into the backtesting section. As always, historical testing results should be viewed as a reference point only and not as a guarantee of future performance. Okay, it's also worth noting that longer testing periods generally provide a more reliable picture of how an EA behaves across different market conditions, because we can see that I tested the Arin2 EA on Euro USD on the H1 time frame, but just over the past month. Okay, so but I recommend testing the EA over a longer period of time, perhaps a year or 2 years or even more, so that you can be able to capture more market conditions. Okay, So let's just quickly look at the report. Remember that this is just about a 1 month report, and from an initial deposit of $50,000, the total net profit was 115.98, which is, well, pretty fair, right? And then the total trades taken were 339 trades. Wow, this is indeed a scalper, right? 339 trades in a month, 191 short positions with 73.82% win rate. Long positions were 148 with 66.22% win rate. Now, the largest profit was 6.61 and the largest loss was 8.99. The average profit was 2.41 and the average loss was 4.59. This tells me that, judging from the average profit and loss, the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, and but when you put the risk to reward side by side with the win rate, well, I'm not exactly surprised, to have a positive net profit, even though that the net profit is not exactly very big when you compare it with the deposit size. But at least the win rate is quite good enough, and it's kind of compensates for the risk to reward ratio, even though it doesn't remove the fact that the risk to reward ratio is bad. All right. Now, having looked at this data, let's just briefly also see how the EA, works when it's active. Okay, so I'm just going to turn on the visual mode, and we're just going to click on start again so that we can, see the EA in action. All right. So looking at the completed backtest chart, or rather looking at the backtest chart, we can observe how the EA interacts with price movement over time. Okay. Based on the settings, described, the system appears to maintain continuous order activity with both buy and sell grids being managed simultaneously, depending on market direction and configuration. Okay. The structure of the trades suggests that the EA is actively scaling positions as price moves away from initial entry levels, which is consistent with the grid-based and anti-martingale logic described in the product information. Now, however, without making assumptions about the internal algorithm, what we can focus on is how the system behaved historically in terms of order frequency, trade clustering, and how it handled different phases of market movement. When reviewing results like this, it's also important to consider factors such as lot sizing, broker execution quality, spread conditions, and slippage. All right, as these can significantly affect real world performance compared to historical testing. I would also recommend testing this EA over longer periods and different market environments to get a more complete understanding of its behavior before considering any live deployment. Overall, the Arin2 EA presents itself as a high frequency, flexible trading system with advanced trade management features and a heavy focus on automation and scalability. The historical backtest results provide useful insight into its behavior, but like any automated system, it requires careful testing and optimization. So that's my review of the Arin2 EA. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.